Hi all, welcome. Welcome to this three dot indicators for your successful trading edge. I'd like to just brief about the system, the indicators what we use for the system to get accurate entries. So basically we have some three indicators. First one is trend reader, which actually tell you the bias of the market, along with which we have integrated big picture as well. Then we have a trend speeder, the momentum, the speed with which any rally or the market is moving. Then the third indicator is a trend strength. What is the strength of that movement, right? Market is moving. What is the strength? Whether it is having a very good strength or it is just like with the low strength, it is kind of like moving, right? Then we have integrated along with the trend strength, the levels to be like cautious about, right? The levels we have marked through CPR, Camarilla like pivoting. So user will get to know exactly like where there might be a reversal and all, right? Basically, there are three indicators only: trend reader along with big picture, trend speeder, and the third one is trend strength along with the levels to be cautious about. Let me just briefly explain about trend reader. Trend reader is our priority number one indicator. Basically, if you see here, you have green color and red color. Forget about the dots, just concentrate on the background. If you are seeing in trend reader a green background, the immediate bias of a trader should be on the bullish bias, right? So if you see, that's what I have mentioned. Trend reader represented the background color. Red is red or green will be the background. If it is green, market has a bullish bias. If it's a red, market has a bearish bias. That is all about the trend reader. And coming to like overall market sentiment, that is big picture. If you see these dots, right? If you see these dots, these are not like single dots. It has been calculated like many things to get into these dots. So basically for a selected instrument, if it's an index, we are concentrating on the index constituents parameters like VWAP, volume, and even we are concentrating on the Dow and Nikkei, Hang Seng, all these things, and India VIX. All these things are calculated, and finally we'll come to a conclusion whether they are onto a bullish biased or bearish. If you see here, like continuous, it's a green dot till here. Post that, there is a red dot formation that it is mentioning to get your bias towards the bearishness. So these two things are like indicated through the trend reader indicator. This is the number one priority indicator in the system. To take any trade bias, you should see this on the priority. So while forming a candle, this color will be like fluctuating between green or red and all. So for that, for the confirmation, just you need to wait till the candle get closed for the confirmation. So this indicator, trend reader, without even this big picture, you can remove this big picture in the setting. You can just use this trend reader during the range bound days, right? You just check the trend strength for identifying the range bound market, which I'll be explaining later. This is all about trend reader, the priority number one indicator of the system. So coming to second thing, trend strength and levels, right? So trend strength, we are calculating based on like various parameters, and we are coming up with the two colors, whether strength of the like movement is strong or not, right? We are representing it as a freehand line. I'll show you that later. If it's a red line, it is a downwards strength is like very strong. If it's a green or lime line, you think you can, it's a uptrend strength is like stronger. So there are areas where there is no lines. It's a indication of range bound, right? You trader might not take any trade if it's a range bound market, especially like option buyers. For option sellers, they can do a strangle or a straddle to get the theta decay. But for the range bound market, option buyers, better to wait for a good opportunities. If you want to trade as well, so trend reader can give you some indications which you can make use of and do a quick scalps. Quick scalps for like a very small profit as well as the SLs. So then we have come up with a new thing that is a default CPR Camarilla like support and resistance horizontal lines are showing to helping users for the levels where they can take some decision, right? So let me just quickly go through here. Yeah. So this is how the final chart will be looking after loading all these three indicators. If you see here, this is trend strength plus levels. If you see here, this is a trend reader and trend speeder. All these three indicators are present. So let me explain trend strength indicator. If you see here, there is some green line, right? It started somewhere here and it is like traversing across. So to make a trend strength bias, you should see this green line. Whenever this guy starts and after some 2-3 candle, if it start like existing, if it starts like growing without vanishing, you can take a bias like, okay, trend strength is getting stronger towards the like bullish side. That's what is the thing you can come up with after seeing this. So same ways, like if you see red line here, you can take a bias of like a trend strength on the downwards, it is getting stronger, right? So if you see, that's where like market has like risen from here, and if you see a red thing, right, market has came down, right? There are areas, if you see here, it's kind of like flat market and there are no color line, so that indicates market is range bound, better not to take any trade. That is the trend strength indicator. Next levels, we have put a default Camarilla pivot points, right? There are like so many lines here. I'll just explain them. So there are three lines here: blue, pink, and yellow, right? These are the pivotal points which are calculated, and they have been like drawn. So usually, whenever instrument is trading above the pivotal point, these three CPR level, so you can take a bias that market is on the bullish side. Whenever they start like trading below this level, you can take a bearish stance, right? That is on the just these three lines, that is pivotal lines. So if you see up one, these are pivotal lines based on the like Camarilla calculations, right? This is actually H3, H1 and H2 we are ignoring. They are not of that importance. H3, H4, H5 on the upper side, L3, L4, L5 on the lower side. So I have marked them as like red, green, and red here. So whenever you see anytime instrument is coming here, expect there is some rejection, right? So that's where is that red. And if at all this guy starts like moving up and starts like above this green dot, that is actually H4, you can take a bias for like going long. This is just a level indication for your trades, but you might not exactly take trade based on this. If you're like CPR level based trader, you can take, but otherwise with my system, these are helpful just to be aware of the levels, right? Where you have to take some take booking profits, like possible like reversal might happen. These are just for the information. These lines won't tell you to take any trades, but these are for the information of the trader to get his view, right? So same thing on the bearish side, you have L3, L4 and L5. So you can see the color as well. So if it's a green, possibility will be like instrument will come here and it will revert. Once this guy like starts trading below this red dot, that is L4, you can take a short trade until here. This will be your immediate target, right? So this is the explanation for trend strength plus the levels to be like cautious about. Let me go to the next indicator, that is trend speeder. Trend speeder tells you what is the speed of the rally, right? How fast the rally is happening, right? If you see here, there are some areas it's just a plain green, right? What does plain green means is momentum is just started, right? If you see one dot addition to this green, this is just like increasing the like speed, right? Starting the acceleration with some value. When you see double dot confirmation, you can take a call. Momentum or the speed of the market will be like very good, and this will add to your trade decision, right? For bullishness, you need to have these things. Even plain background should also be good enough if other constituents are like in line. If not, you just have to like wait. There are some black color background here. Those indicate there is no like a trend either on bullish side or on the bearish side. You just have to like wait. So for the bearish bias, red color background, as you see here, this is plain red, and this is a single red, which means like acceleration or the momentum is getting like started. If you see double dot red confirmation, that is like very perfect scenario for taking a trade decision. So this completes the three indicators along with like big picture and the like horizontal resistance support line for favoring our trade decisions, right? So when to buy, when to like buy with this system, right? For any day, wait till 9:30 a.m. to get some stability in the market. Better to avoid the opening trades, because whenever there is a gap up or gap down, these indicators, since they are on technical based, they will give chaotic signals, right? Better to wait till 9:30, where by then like market will get like a little bit stabilized. Then you can go for a trading, right? At 9:30, if all these three things, trend reader, trend speeder, and trend strength, right? If all these things are in green, right? If you see here, I have just given an example. Trend speeder, first you need to check trend reader. Trend reader background color is green. Then the big picture, the dots, whatever is mentioned, those are also green. Trend speeder is with high velocity or the momentum. And if you see this green line here, that is a trend strength indicator, as I explained. So that is also giving confirmation. So this is the right candle, you can get into a long position, right? That is the entry criteria, right? So that's what I have mentioned on the long. Exit once you are in profit, start trailing at every 15 points on the options or 50 points on the futures, right? So once you start like trailing, you can safeguard your profit. If you want to completely ride the rally, just put it onto cost to cost, where you will not have any losses, right? And that is the like way you can ride the rally. So what is the stop loss for Bank Nifty? You initially you need to put 100 points. Once the if at all market starts moving to in your direction, right? So on the options, put 30 to 50 points. If at all market starts like falling, 30 to 50 points, you should be exiting on the options as well as the 100 points on the Bank Nifty futures, right? So other way to like put a stop loss is this trend reader turning other color. If it's a long, if you see like start seeing continuous red here, you can get out of this trade, and immediately you can see again there is an entry, you can get onto again the trade and you can start the rally again, right? So trend reader turning red on a long trade continuously for 2 candles, you can exit and re-enter once you get further confirmation, right? Other thing is like a future breaking the support line based on the like levels I mentioned, right? So these are the support lines. If you see like CPR, if it start like breaking with a good volume or any of these levels, this level, if you start breaking, I think you can get exited from the trade. That is on the long. Something similar on the short. So 9:30, I think you should get ready for the trade. If you start seeing like all the things are in lines, trend reader is red with a red confirmation on the big picture, and trend speeder is with full like velocity of momentum it is going. And if you see like that red confirmation from the trend strength also, and you can go for a short here. So until this guy trend reader turns green, you can ride. If he starts showing like for consecutive 2 candles, you can exit. If you see again he's giving signal, you can enter. So same kind of logic applies for the short side also. So SL as well, as I mentioned, the same thing like 100 bank nifty feature points, 30 to 50 points on the options. Again, trend reader turning green continuously for 2 candles, or future breaking the resistance line. This typo, yeah, future breaking the resistance line on the upper side, right? So this is on the shell selling or shorting of the market entries. So there are range bound days. Range bound days are known to us by our system. How means like there are no signal from our trend strength indicator. If you see here green or red line, it mentions there is some strength. But otherwise, if you see complete day on this day, there are no like continuous lines, right? This indicates there is no like movement on the market. It's a completely range bound. That is the first thing you should look at. So if you still want to have a trade for days like this, I would say like not to trade, but if you still want to like have a trade, you can use our trend reader to do a scalping. If you see there are no green or red lines on the trend strength indicator continuously like shown in the picture, you can go into scalping mode just by observing the trend reader indicator. It will have like very small profits as well as a very small SLs. You can get into that mode and you can continue your trading. So if the trade starts moving into your direction, let it run. You can do a trailing. If the trade starts going negative, trend reader starts showing opposite color, just close the like trade immediately in the next candle. So let me just show you one of that the same day, like how would have done a scalping, right? If you see on this 10-10, right? So trend reader started showing red. So even though there is no like confirmation from the trend strength, we can go for a short. At least we'll get some points here. Until this guy turns green, you can be like riding almost like 100 points or 150 points you would have got. Similarly, like when he starts showing green, you can get onto a scalp long entry. You can ride some another 50-60 points on the upper side. Same thing, you will have to like do a lot of scalps throughout the day to accumulate like small profits. There will be stop losses. So if you cumulatively see like overall for the day, it will be under profit. So overall, like this is what is the overall system. I think I explained the complete thing. So if you have like any query, please do like free to reach me on my Telegram ID, or you can reach me on my mobile number here. Please do like subscribe to like Telegram channel. So where we already have like 200 and odd people, and who are using this system, and they are feeling it's good and they are liking the system. So thank you for your time. So if there are any queries, please do ping on any of these like Telegram or call me on my mobile number. Thanks for your time. Hope to see you on our indicator platform and make good money in your trading. Thank you so much. Bye. See you.